Hello, my name is Carson Poore, and I'm going to be doing exercise 6, 3D E6 by Carson Poore. What is 3D printing? 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process of creating a three-dimensional object from a digital model file. This technology works by adding layer upon layer of materials to build a complete object. The process uses a combination of top-of-the-line software, powdered line-like materials, and precision tools to create a three-dimensional object from scratch. Who is using 3D printing? People all around the world in the past couple years have been using 3D printing almost everything that you can think of, from making parts of machinery or gadgets, medical use, architects, or just little trinkets that people are what people are using 3D printing for. Japan has been fabricating things from 3D printing at an alarming rate, since it is helping them with the material shortage over the past couple years due to COVID. People all across the country of Japan are starting to use 3D printing all the time. Why are they using 3D printing? Like stated in the previous slide, people are using 3D printing for everything that can help them with production costs and production speed. These machines can start making things at an alarming rate and don't have to take breaks or go to sleep, since they are machines. This is why they're getting incorporated so fast into everyday life, since they are being able to help everything get speeded up and cost a whole lot cheaper to use them. Japan has sought out to start making 3D printers a lot, since they are becoming the new thing that every workplace needs for manufacturing products. Where are they using 3D printers? 3D printers are being used almost in every profession nowadays across the world, and especially in Japan. The medical department is starting to use 3D printing a lot more frequently than any other profession with 3D printing. One example of the medical field using 3D printing would be for them using these machines to make a titanium femur to do a femur transplant to save someone's leg. This is just one example that 3D printing is being used in the medical field. Japan has been seen using 3D printing across the country, as it is a new thing that the country doesn't want to fall behind other countries with. When are they using 3D printing? As stated previously, the 3D printer is being used all the time, since the machine doesn't have to take breaks or go home for the day. They are being used in everyday situations you can produce. Someone needs a new piece to fix their bike, people are 3D printing the new piece. Someone wants to play with it and make small little trinkets, they are using the 3D printer. There are thousands of reasons why they are being used. Japan knows that to keep up with other countries as they continue to evolve with technology, that they need to stay completely up to date with 3D printing, as it is one of the greatest innovations in technology in a long time. How can 3D printing help solve local SDG issues in Japan to help achieve a better and more sustainable future for all? I believe that Issue 9, Industry, Innovation, and Infrastructure, is a perfect problem that 3D printing can be used to help solve the issue. 3D printing can allow for industries to continue to flourish and to keep with product demand, as it runs automatically 24/7 without needing compensation. New innovations can come out of 3D printing, as it's opening a whole new world of technology that we previously didn't have access to. Issue 9 won't just go away from the help of 3D printing, but it can cause for new ideas to flourish and help completely solve the issue as a whole. 3D printing, two truths and a lie. The first 3D printer was patented in 2002. While plastic is commonly used, some 3D printers can also work with metal and ceramics. 3D printers work by following digital instructions to print objects using materials like plastic, ceramics, and metal. Thank you.